When Sushil Gupta was rushed to hospital with high fever, fatigue, and lack of appetite recently, doctors ran a battery of tests to diagnose the illness. The 52-year-old they found was suffering from both COVID and dengue. Fortunately, Gupta didn't have any serious complications and he could be managed on an OPD basis itself. However, co-infection is emerging as a new trend and Dr. Surjit Chatterjee of Delhi's Apollo Hospital says it can have serious consequences. Both are viral illness with no known cure. In dengue, a patient can go into shock due to extremely low blood pressure, while in COVID 19, high blood pressure is linked to higher fatality, he said. According to data shared by the municipal corporations, Delhi has recorded 131 cases of dengue and 114 cases of malaria till September 12 this year. Co-infection can also be caused due to other seasonal illnesses such as malaria, chikungunya, typhoid, common flu, and leptospirosis, a bacterial disease spread through the urine of infected animals. The warning signs of dengue include persistent vomiting, mucosal bleeding, difficulty in breathing, lethargy or restlessness, and low blood pressure. In COVID 19, common symptoms include difficulty in breathing, persistent pain or pressure in the chest, new confusion, inability to wake or stay awake, and bluish lips or face. A TOI online report.